Welcome back to Mash Tips. Today we are going to talk about the new product from Apple, the AirTag. Yeah, you heard it right. This is the AirTag that we are talking about. Let us see a few tips for the new AirTag users. These are 4 AirTags from Apple. And here are those AirTags, packed in one single pack, and it's pretty decent pack. And one side comes with the Apple logo, and the other side is usually blank, and you can engrave any character on here. And it's easy to pull out the battery, and it's immediately pop up on my iPhone. The AirTag pairing is so easy and cute. Only thing you have to do that is just remove the battery cover from the AirTag and bring next to your iPhone and follow the instructions over there. I'm going to use this electric tag for my electric bike. Let me pick bike, continue to register with your Apple ID, and it's setting up. Will take a few seconds. This is an iPhone 11 with U1 chip, so it supports precision finding, and rest of the things you can work with any other iPhone models like play sound, directions in map. You will get in almost all other iPhones, even older models than this iPhone 11. And done. Now if you want to check the status of this AirTag on your iPhone, search for Find My App and tap on the items, and you can see your AirTag over there. So this will show you the location where is your AirTag, and you can play a sound on your AirTag, or you can utilize the Find My Precision, and it's very close to this iPhone, so it's showing that it's next to the iPhone now. And from this screen itself you can play the sound. That's it. That's a basic setup for adding AirTag to your account. The AirTag supports precision finding with iPhone 11 or latest models. What about iPhone XR or old models that does not comes with this ultra wideband technology? Let me see if this AirTag is going to work with iPhone XR that's updated to 14.5. If you don't have that pop-up, you can open Find My and bring AirTag next to it and add item and add AirTag, and it's gonna scan and find out. So that's an alternative way if you don't find out that pop-up next to your iPhone. And I'm using for bike. So now if you want to find out this AirTag, you have to open Find My App. You can play the sound and that's gonna work for you. For the direction, you will get almost like other devices. The location is showing that around 150 feet away from the device. As you know, it's not accurate. It's pretty close here, almost 1 inch away from your iPhone. The precision may not work with the old iPhone models when you use this AirTag. If you want to get more precise location of this AirTag, you may need to depend on the U1 chip based devices like iPhone 11 new models. Now you already have this AirTag and it's already assigned to your e-bike. And what do you think if you want to reassign this one to your backpack or some other device? So let us go to Find My App. Then come back to items, then you can see your current AirTags over there. So tap on it and pull upward. You can see rename item, and here you can reselect this item to some other device. For example, let me select back for backpack. Done. The AirTag is renamed and reassigned to your backpack. If you don't see any particular item on the list, you can use a custom name for it. Let us find out. Come back to Find My App, tap on items, select your current AirTag, pull up for the details and rename item. And here you can select a custom name for your AirTag. Scroll down all the way to the end and custom name, and here you can give it the item name, and also you have an option to give an emoji. So let me give an emoji here, search for car and an item name, and here you have to give the full item name. Done. Now I have assigned a custom name for my AirTag for my car. If you tap on it, you can see the emoji there that you assigned while you rename the AirTag and the name over there. That's it. Meanwhile, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So now you lost your AirTag and you have to set the AirTag in a lost mode. Let's see how to do that. So go to your Find My app and tap on items, pull up, and lost mode. You have to tap on this enable, confirm that you want to set it this one in a lost mode, continue, and you can give a phone number. If somebody find out, they can contact you back. And the next page shows you the item name and the phone number, so if they find by somebody else, they can contact you this number and activate. And now the AirTag is set into a lost mode. This particular AirTag set into a lost mode, and I have an Android phone and I'm trying to find out what will happen if I found a lost item with Android. I'm gonna scan this one with my NFC, and I got a page pop up here, the item lost, and call to this number that we provided on the AirTag. So this particular AirTag I registered with some other account in a different iPhone, and let us see if it is found by a different owner, what will happen. So let me try to scan the NFC. Okay, I got a pop-up here, same message that you got from an Android phone. I'm carrying this AirTag that's registered with a different device, and finally I got this notification after about 2 days. So this is a message I got on my iPhone that the items detected with you, an AirTag that's possibly tracking you. And it's showing almost all the locations that I traveled with this AirTag. And there is an additional option in the pop-up window. I can play sound to locate that tracking AirTag. I can post the alert if I don't want to get any notification in future about that particular AirTag, or there is an instruction to disable that AirTag. For disabling an AirTag for both Android or iPhone, the solution is just to remove the battery. Apple is giving an instruction to remove the battery out of it. So you simply disable the AirTag in a hard way. That's it. So once you get your item back, you can disable the lost mode. Go to Find My, tap on the AirTag. You see the lost mode is enabled 6 minutes ago. Tap on it and turn off lost mode, and you are good to go. Once you register this AirTag, it's under your iCloud ID with your phone number. Nobody else can use it. Even though somebody find out this AirTag, they cannot reuse it. If you want to give this one as a gift to your family members, you have to remove this AirTag from your account before giving this to somebody else. Let me go back to my Find My account, tap on the AirTag you want to try, and remove item. Here, tap on it, and you are going to remove this AirTag. Remove. That's it. Now Apple is removing the AirTag and it's popping up again to connect it. When I try to pair this AirTag multiple times, I see that the pop-up is not coming up all the time. So if you have the same issue, you have to check a couple of things before you pair the AirTag. The first thing, you have turned on your Bluetooth connection. You have to make sure that at least you have 14.5, the OS. And the second thing, you have to go to your iPhone settings and your Apple ID, tap on Find My iPhone. Make sure you turned on this Find My network and send the last location. And one more thing you have to do for trying to pair your AirTag is to turn on the two-factor authentication. So go to Apple settings, tap on the Apple ID, password and security. Make sure you turned on this two-factor authentication. That's an additional requirement to work this AirTag with your iPhone. And even after that, if you move your AirTag next to your iPhone and if it didn't pair, then there is a quick solution to pair your AirTag. Search for Find My app, items, tap on it, add item, and now you can see add AirTag. So tap on it and the iPhone will search for AirTag and you will get that pop-up immediately. As you know, this one does have some very light magnet power. Probably it can hold on your refrigerator or body of your car. And if you move that, definitely it's gonna fall down. Instead of a piece of buzzer, Apple is using a real speaker inside it and this magnetic power from that speaker magnet. Of course, you can check the firmware version of this NFC tag and the serial number right from your Find My app. Tap on items and get your AirTag, and now you can see the battery level here, and if you tap on that battery level to get the serial number and firmware version, tap back for the battery. And let us see a different battery test and make sure the battery level is changing according to your battery age. As per the AirTag specification, you can get more than 1 year battery life for this AirTag. Let us see how to remove the battery. Simply rotate on the top of it. Now you can take off the battery. And here is the battery, the CR2032. There is already 2 contacts for the battery. If you just press the battery right here itself, it's already start working. And we did some test for the battery level. We almost discharged the battery manually, and now we have a low battery indication over there. And if you tap on it, that's gonna instruct you how to replace the battery here. You'll get a notification from AirTag to replace the battery. And we try to pair the AirTag that's already paired with a different Apple ID and the phone. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Add a new item, add a tag, and it's gonna scan for the AirTag, and probably it's not gonna find out. And still searching for a new AirTag that's not paired with any other Apple ID. So it look like it's not detecting. So that's going to happen if you try to pair somebody else's AirTag with your iPhone. And we have tested this AirTag with an NFC app and see what's gonna happen. So I'm going to get the NFC tool. If you are not sure about iPhone NFC, you can check the link above for our iPhone NFC video. Let me read the tag. Let's read it. You can see the serial number. Of course, it's not writable. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any tips for AirTags, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And if you are looking for more outdoor real life uses of this AirTag, please check the link on the left side. See you soon.